Hi guys, I hope you all doing well. My name is Gautam Mehar and I will be presenting you the learning that I had during the WEBSTACK Academy Internship Program 2024. And I will be also presenting you the demo of the project that I have built during this internship. So let's begin with the goal of the internship. The goal of this internship Express.js, react.js and Node.js. The project was to understand and learn how the front end and the back end of a website are developed and operate using various technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MongoDB, React, Express and Node, etc. Now let's move on to the HTML. What is HTML? HTML it's basically the structure of the web pages. And HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard language for creating web pages. It basically provides the structure of a website and which is enhanced and modified by other technologies just like CSS and JavaScript. It defines the structure and layout of a web document and uses element like heading, paragraph, list, link, images, table tag, and so on. Now we just move on to the CSS part. What is CSS? CSS is the styling the web. Just like HTML is the structure of the website and CSS is the styling the web. So CSS stand for Cascading Style Sheet is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in the HTML. Without CSS, our website would be boring. They were just plain contexts with the plain images and plain text and nothing else. So CSS is really important for designing the website. Like we can change the font size, the font color and backgrounds and shadow, borders, round borders, and CSS is really important. It helps us to transforming our website from a wide length page to attractive one. So work on CSS is really well. CSS helps us creating a responsive website. Now, what is a responsive website? Uh, it is a website. It's able to fit on all kind of screens like our iPad, phones, laptops, mobile, even TV is a screen. So let's just take an example. Uh, you can say that Netflix is a responsive website. Google is a responsive website. WebTech is a responsive website. Like there is so responsive websites that are that available on internet. So work on CSS everyone. If you want to create an attractive page for a website, so we have to use the CSS. Without CSS, our site will be boring and not looking good. So why would anyone want to be surf on the website? Okay, so that's all about the CSS. Now we jump onto the JavaScript. What is JavaScript? Main logic of our website. JavaScript really help us in to add the logic of the website. JavaScript basically a versatile programming language that enables our dynamically and it animate page and do pretty much everything in our website. JavaScript is the key in web development. Yes, it can be updated by both HTML as well as CSS. Now let's just move on to the React.js. What is React.js? Now let's move on to the React.js. What is React.js? React.js is basically a JavaScript library for uses to building the user interfaces and particularly for a single page application where you want a fast and responsive user experience. So we use React.js, and React.js is used for basically the front end, and it enables the building complex UIs from small and isolated pieces of code called components. And it utilizes a virtual DOM, document manipulation document object manipulation, to optimize UI rendering. And it also supports component based architecture to making code more reusable and easier to manage. It's all about the React.js. Now let's move on to the Redux. What is Redux? Redux is basically used for large scale website to managing the all states. And here I written it. It is a state management, right? So Redux is a predictable state of container for a JavaScript app, often used to React for managing the application states, right? It centralizes the application state in a single store. It enables consistent behavior across different environments, and it also facilitates the debugging and testing by making state changes more predictable. So it was all about the Redux. Now let's move on to the Node.js. What is Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, or it is used in our backend to fetch the data and collect the data. It handles server-side operations such as database queries and file operations and API handling, right? It also helps in non-blocking event-driven architecture, make it ideal for scalable and high-performing application. And it also supports the real-time application like chat apps, WhatsApp, and Facebook, right? And it also support online games. So now let's move on to the MongoDB. MongoDB is basically a database with no SQL database that uses a flexible JSON-like document structure, and it make easier to store and manage large amount of data of unstructured data. It stores in a collection of document and each containing key value pair, and it ideal for application requiring scalability and the flexibility, right? And it integrates seamlessly with Node.js and make it popular choice in MERN Stack. So what are the product requirements? So basically, we were told to develop a food order application like Swiggy and Zomato. So on our food order application, the customer should able to create their profile, choose the product they want, and make the payment, and then they can do the order, and they can also see their status of the order, and all of this should be done in a hassle-free way. So this we were told to develop in our Munstack internship. Now let's move on to the back end of our websites. We use MongoDB and Node.js, and Node.js help us creating the data from the API and sending the data to the API. Add the credential of our mail trap and Stripe, because mail trap help us in creating a demo type of email, so we can check our forgotten password email, so we could reset our password from there. And Stripe was used to make our payment order on our website. So Node.js is really important in making this the contribution to the sites, and also sending and taking the data from the database. MongoDB was used as a database of our website to store data like our order, user, resource, restaurants, name, ratings, etc. So MongoDB is really useful. So now I will tell you about how we could implement our project. We have to develop our project. So let's begin with the front end. Our front end was developed by HTML, CSS, React, Redux. HTML was used were able to add content, navbars, buttons, images, text box, etc. throughout our project. And CSS was used so that we were able to design our project in attractive, effective way. So, and we use color, border, text boxes in a way that able to attract a huge base of customer toward us and place their food order to our websites. So now we can develop reusable component of a website like navbars, footers, boxes for food items, for restaurants, text part in a simple way. Okay, so now let's move forward to the Redux in our website, because this is a large scale website and there were many states that had to be managed, and Redux was the only option to manage the all of this state in a simple way. We create a store, added all of our power in the store in the index.js file. We attach this store file in our app.js file, and through this we were able to manage all of this type of our file in a simple way. And there was no hassle and humble jumble so going in the front end. So this was the really helpful in creating our website. Now let's discuss the difference between full stack and MERN stack. MERN stack is basically focuses on the MongoDB, Express and React and Node.js. It primarily centered on a JavaScript based technology, and it is ideal for those who interested in mastering the MERN stack and building modern website. Yes, but again, in the case of MERN stack, this is different only four languages. This process is simplified. All about the difference between MERN stack and full stack. So now let's jump on to the demo of our project. Here's our website or our project front page. Say home page. Now we just click on login. So we don't have any email or password, so we have to register as a new user. So just simply click on the new user button, and now we have to fill the information. Let's just name just Ram. Okay, and now enter email ram123 at the rate gmail.com. Entered our email and set the password, and password minimum 8 size. So let's just enter the password like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and right here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right, now we have to enter our phone number. So now I'm using some dummy number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, and if we want to upload our avatar, so we can click on the browser, and here we can upload a avatar. So now I'm not going to use that, and just simply click on the register button. So now we successfully log in our app. So so now we can filter our restaurant. Let's just say if we want to order only only veg. So here it is, only veg item here, or we want to show all the restaurants, so we click on here. So now let's just yeah, we click on the Imperial restaurant, and let's just say we want to order chili chicken masala. Click on, and we want to add quantity like two or three. Okay, and we want to order some extras, so we order here, so we click on here. Now we successfully added our orders. So now we can go to the cart page, so we can click on here. Now just simply click on cart, so you are seeing that our order are successfully here. Now just simply click on checkout. So now we go to the our payment page. So now enter everything, like just an address. Let's just say enter Rajendra Nagar. It's just random. It is just a dummy address, not the real address. We can enter here. And just a city, Indore, and or we can also put our pin code and state. We are in Madhya Pradesh, so like Madhya Pradesh, and we have to enter our phone number. So we can also enter the phone number dummy here for this project. So let's just enter here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here's it, enter. And now we just enter our payment option. So it is a default 4242424242 and 42 and 42 here. And we enter our dummy month or year, and enter here dummy CVV. So now we successfully entered our everything here. Now just simply click on pay option. It takes time, and so here we finally ordered our food. Just simply click on go to orders to check the status and of our food item. Now simply click on the I button to show the receipt of the orders. So here we can see that our receipt of the order. Okay, that's all. So click on the home button, and if we want to change our profile, so just simply click on here and click on the profile and go to the edit profile, and simply change your name to like that. And if you want to change your email, so let's just say 123. So and just simply click on update, and here we are successfully changed our profile within a second. Okay, now just simply click on order. So here we can see that our whole project is working, and this was using MERN Stack, MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js. Let's just we log out, and let's suppose we forgot a username or email or password. So what we can do, just simply click on the forget password and enter our email. So let's just enter our email, ram 123 at the rate gmail.com, and just enter. So here we can see our forgotten password email redirect here. So now we just simply click on reset your password. So now enter new password. Let's just enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? And also I didn't confirm password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and just simply click on set password. So now we successfully updated our password here. So now we can see that our project is fully working using MERN Stack. So now click on login button and enter the reset password, right? And click on login. So now you can see that we can successfully enter the password and it login successfully. So this was the demo of the project that I have done during this WEBSTACK Academy internship program 2024. Conclusion. I would like to thanks to my mentor and my teacher Rohit Kumar, without whom I could never sustain what I learned during this internship. He has helped me in every way and any way whenever I faced a little issue, and I used to manage search him on web portal or in discussion forum, or even I could email him. He used to help me instantly. So thank you so much. So you have taught me a lot. So thank you so much, lastly. And also thank you to the team of WebStack Academy for giving me this opportunity. I would be ever grateful to them, because the teachers that I have hired, and they are great and they have taught me a lot. Thank you so much. Mm. And this internship was an amazing experience for me, as I got to learn a lot web development from the best mentor, Rohit Kumar. Whenever I got in any problem regarding the project, he would guide me and help me to overcome them. And lastly, I would like to thanks to the Rohit Kumar sir for being my mentor in this WebStack Academy internship program 2024. So thank you everyone.